the solution to this example. First thing we're going to do is going to build the first if. Now you'll see I've drawn it here, and we're going to go this way. So we've got, is the balance less than 100,000? So we're starting over here. If it's true, something else must happen. If it's false, we know there's a number, 7.5%. So we're going to build the first if function. And we're going to say the logical test is look at that cell over there. Is it, per our instructions here, our diagram, less than 100,000? I'm going to put my dollar signs there. If it is less than 100,000, notice we've got some sort of an other test. So I'm just going to put a place mark here and just call it another test, just with inverted commas around it. If it's not less than 100,000, then use that number over there. We can say, okay, if I copy it down, we get that. This will sort itself out later. We're then going to do the second version. So the second version here is going to be, is the balance less than 50,000? So I'm going to build an if function. So is the balance we're looking at less than the second one with dollar signs? And note we ignore this for now. We pretend this is the only if. If it's true, we can see there's another test. So I'm going to type another test. If it's false, it's going to be the 6%, this cell over here with dollar signs. And I can copy it down. We're now going to do the third band, which is this one over here. It's going to be an if. So we're going to look here. If that is less than, we said in this case 5,000. What happens if it's true? It looks like it must be 0%, so I'm going to use that one. And if it's false, 5%, you can use that one with the dollar signs on. When I say OK, we get this. Notice we gave you an extra one, so just because we put it in here doesn't mean you have to use it. The diagram will show you exactly what you should do, so always draw these diagrams. We're now going to nest it. So we could nest it straight in here, but I just want to be able to show it separately. So I'm going to copy that formula. Notice I didn't copy the cell. I went into it and copied the contents. And the reason for that is I don't want it to change the referencing. I'm just going to come here and paste it in here. And now all we need to do is wherever it says another test, so here we said the next one was the other test. So I'm going to go into the cell. I'm going to copy the contents, excluding the equal sign. So I'm going to copy it, Control C. Just push Escape to get out of it. Go to the next one. And then I'm going to highlight where it said another test. And I'm going to Control V, paste it in. And I can push Enter. So what we've now done is this one and this one. You can see in our big formula, there's another test. And in this case, we're doing the third band. So we're saying, look here, I'm going to copy this without the equal sign, escape to get out of it, click here, and replace the word another test. Control V, click enter. And now when I copy and paste it, what we've now done is we've taken these ifs, 3 simple ifs, and combine them into one long one. Let's just check if it's working. 4,900, that's right. 15,250, 5%, that looks right. 110, so that looks correct. And now if we wanted to, we could actually delete that.